Drew, what the hell are you watching?
$5 fidget spinner versus $15,000 fidget spinner. I want to get one day. I love fidget spinners so much. I need to get a fidget spinner. I don't even have one, but they're my favorite.
You're honestly cancer. $15,000 fidget spinner?
Yeah, I want it. Do you see that? It's just staying still, basically.
That is not
It's
human.
going so slow. Now it's picking up speed.
Like we can't see that.
Can't see that.
Hey Drew, do you want to go on an adventure outside? Alright Drew, let's go. What are you doing?
I'm a fidget spinner.
You're not a fucking fidget spinner! Going on an adventure at nighttime.
Adventure
At nighttime.
at night.
Where are we gonna go?
I don't know, some park place, maybe?
With grass.
Grass.
Drew, got you some flowers.
This isn't even a fidget spinner.
We don't know where we're going, but we know it's spooky out.
And
Hump me, fuck me, daddy better make me so better.
what?
Drew, what are you doing?
Fidget spinner.
Why are you fidget spinning? It's the middle of the night and you're at a park.
I can't get them off my mind.
Honestly, living for this house though, for like being a house.
Yeah, good for that house.
Like, house rights, guys.
Hashtag house goals.
House wins, guys.
House wins. Love wins. House wins.
Honestly, I think houses have it worse than Jews.
Yeah. For sure. And blacks.
And gays.
And Muslims.
Houses have it worse than me.
Yeah, houses have it worse than Hannah Baker.
Honestly, 13 houses, why?
13 houses, why?
13 houses, why though?
Like 13 houses, why?
Yeah, like 13 houses,
Why?
why?
Like why?
Like why though? Living for the why, not the W, but the
Living
Y.
for the why.
So Drew started spinning again, and I don't know why, but he needs to stop.
I am Fidget.
Alright guys, so we don't know where my house is, so we're just probably gonna camp right here.
Until like
At this
we
corner.
can at least see a little bit.
Yeah, it's like 4:30 a.m. now. Just been wandering my neighborhood aimlessly, and I had to give Drew 8 Benadryl just to stop spinning, and now he's slumped, so.
Yeah, I need to stop spinning. I need to sit down. I need to lay down. I need to go to bed.
Alright, so it's like 7 in the morning the next day. Drew, get up. Drew. We have to find my house. Oh my god, my house is right here. We slept on the fucking street because my house is right here.